the incredible Seattle Garages stopped by.
Ooh.
And for folks who may not have seen it earlier on in the run, the Seattle Garages came by on the weekend to perform a live set for us and release that live set as an album on their Bandcamp, as well as a T-shirt commemorating the Seattle Garages live at Desert Bus for Hope.
Hey, Lamore's in chat. Hi,
Lamore in chat, that's us.
Hey!
Correct.
Lamore.
Our very own Lamore is a member of the Seattle Garages. Well, they have been collecting the proceeds from their Bandcamp sales and their T-shirt sales for those particular albums all week long, and they have stopped by to drop that donation on us, courtesy with a little bit of help from our good friend Fuji. The Garages were able to raise $2,222.22.
Thank you so much.
That's amazing. Thank you so much.
So much, Seattle Garages. That's so generous, and we appreciate you so much. And we appreciate everybody who picked up that EP or T-shirt, which they will be shipping out to y'all soon.
Yay!
Yay!
And there it is, right at the bottom of your screen. The latest donation, $2,222.22.
Oh,
thank you,
Team
Chris, for
order
helping.
the Garages.
yeah. I had no idea Blaze Ball could be associated with anything to do with order, but
That's my same thought.
That takes us up to $728,000 so far this year.